Let's talk about smart straps, because smart straps may be the future, or at least they will be if Sony has anything to do with it. Sony's just announced Wena, a range of analog watches and smart straps to turn the combination into hybrids. Hopefully you're looking forward to talking about that, but before I jump into it, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit that bell, because that's how you're going to stay on top of everything I do. And let's talk about tech. Right back to these Sonys. Two smart straps, one the Wena Wrist Pro, one the Wena Wrist Active. The Wena Wrist Pro looks super premium, link system, and then there's a big link at the bottom with an OLED display, monochrome, 2-line ticker of information, and that is the more expensive of the two. It would be with the word Pro in the title. It looks rich, available in black and silver, but interestingly, it's the least capable of the two Wena wrists. The Wena Wrist Pro has NFC capability to support mobile payments, and that's cool. And it can also vibrate as well as track your steps with its gyroscope and stuff. So it can do some things, but it can't quite do as much as the Wena Wrist Active, which also has a heart rate monitor and a GPS, and on top of that costs £50 less at £350 or thereabouts. One more thing it can do: if you don't have a watch head attached, you can just use it as a fitness tracker. £350 for a fitness tracker is pretty steep, but one with a Cartier watch on the front is looking more appealing. Both of these come with 20mm attachments, so you should fit most watches, and on top of that in the box you're going to get an 18mm and a 22mm I think attachment too, to make it that little bit more versatile. They play nice with an application available for iOS and Android, where you can access all the data collected about your steps and about your GPS and sleep tracking activity as well. So ultimately, you've got a really nice suite from Sony of stuff that you can supplement your pricey like analog watch with. Personally, I don't think that at the price they're going to be accessible to the mainstream user. £350 at the lowest price, that's a lot of money, and you could get a Fitbit or a Huawei band or something that does all that for around 100 quid these days. But what I will say is that if you have a more premium watch like a Tag or Omega, etc., and you're okay with the idea of not having a strap by the same manufacturer, it might be a nice one of many straps to use. That is, if you've got that kind of a disposable income. What do you think? I'm not a luxury watch wearer, so I am definitely not the target market for this. I am a gadget freak, so I would have really liked to have seen some more cool stuff in there that maybe appeal to the tech head in me, like ECG reading and stuff like that, like in the Apple Watch 4. But I admire and I applaud Sony for doing something a little bit different. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And like I said earlier, subscribe. It helps me out like crazy, because it means you get to stay on top of my videos every time I post them. And there will be more. Hopefully you enjoyed this one though. Bye.